Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Notion for designing and planning your garden, a full 2025 guide. First things first, open Notion and create a new page for your garden project. This page will be the hub of all your garden planning and designing activities. Having a dedicated page helps to keep everything organized and in one place. Next up, add sections for garden layout, plant ideas, tasks, and timeline. The reason we do this is to segregate different aspects of your garden planning. Each section will serve a specific purpose and make your planning process smoother. Now, in the garden layout section, use the draw tool to sketch out your garden layout. This helps us visualize the garden space and plan accordingly. You can also add notes for specific areas of the garden, like where you plan to plant roses or where the compost pit will be. In the Plant Ideas section, list down all the plants you want in your garden. Add their pictures, care instructions, and anything else you'd find helpful. This helps us because it centralizes all the plant information and makes it easier to refer back when needed. Moving on to the Tasks section. Here, create a to-do list of all the tasks related to your garden planning, like buying seeds, preparing the soil, and so on. The benefit of this is it breaks down your project into manageable tasks and helps keep track of your progress. Lastly, in the Timeline section, set a schedule for your tasks. It's essential to time your gardening activities right for the best results. So that's it. That's a quick and efficient way to use Notion for your garden planning and designing. Just remember, the key is to keep everything organized and easily accessible. Happy gardening!